Alright everyone, so here we are with our Stromberg carburetor. This is our Dashpot right here. That's broken. We're going to go ahead and test this and see if we have continuity. This terminal is broken. This is all busted out here on the side, as you can see. But there's a coil in here. I'm going to see if there's continuity. I see a little wire poking out right here. I'm not sure if that's where the terminal goes or if the terminal goes here. There's almost like a bare wire in there also. But I got my ohm meter set, so when I touch my leads together, look at that sound. Just going to go ahead and contact here. So we have continuity on that wire and continuity inside there. So at least we have connection across the two terminals. Not quite sure if this solenoid is still good. It's an electromagnet. Now that we know that we have continuity through here, we're going to go ahead and apply power. So I have my test leads hooked up to a little motorcycle battery. This is 12 volt, but we're just going to be temporary testing this with a light screwdriver or something. We're going to see if this is going to draw the screwdriver in when we energize it. Okay, so just holding the screwdriver a little bit away from the head of the screw here, I'm going to go ahead and connect the red terminal to the battery, and we're going to see if the screwdriver is going to move. There it goes. So that electromagnet is working. So all we need to do now is try to solder some kind of terminal on here and cover up this coil to insulate it. But I think this solenoid is going to be okay. Alright, so here's our solenoid. I soldered on a terminal. I even melted a little bit of plastic to cover up that bare coil there. And then we're going to go ahead and check it again. Checking continuity. Trying to get a good contact on the terminal. I think it has about 15 ohms. You can see here I put a little bit of 2-part epoxy to seal it up. And then I just sanded it smooth. I'll probably put some paint on it. We're applying power and ground to the solenoid. That's the check ball out of the carburetor. It was a little too far, but now applying power. You see that the magnet sucks that check ball right into it. Do it one more time. Alright guys, see you on the next one.